Do you like beans? And do you like rice as well? My question is, do you have them right now in your kitchen? Then please try this recipe because these are the ingredients we are going to use to prepare this recipe. And I'm very sure you are going to love it. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena if today is the first time here. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have with me here my black eyed beans or peas. I will then add some chopped onions and my baking soda. We are going to leave this on fire for 30 minutes. Then I will get back to you. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. And I do appreciate you if you are watching me from Facebook. If you haven't followed my Facebook page, please, what are you waiting for? Follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes for more updates. So after 30 minutes, this is how it is looking. It is not soft and it is not hard. Okay. Yes. So I'm just going to wash my rice, then add it to the beans. That is Yasmin rice I'm using. I will then go ahead and add some coconut oil and my salt to taste. You make sure you taste for salt so that it won't be too much or lesser. Okay, so we are going to do exactly that. And I think my salt is okay. I'm going to leave it on fire on a very lower heat. So after some few minutes, this is how it is looking. Okay. Yeah. So my sister taught me something about preparing waakye. Okay. Before that, we are going to cover it with my napkin and check on it for some few minutes. So she taught me that if you're preparing the waakye in bulk and you don't want it to spoil, okay, what you do is that you don't keep stirring it just like I'm stirring. You just leave it on fire and you just cover it with your napkin on a very lower heat. It is going to cook very well and it is not going to spoil, okay. But this one, I'm just going to eat it within some few days. I want to ask some question, okay? When you eat beans, do you have this problem? You know, the beans, when you eat it, you are going to get some gas there. So after we are done eating the beans, we get that body pains and other things. But see, the way watching the bee there, even if I will get the body pains, I'll go eat them. After that, maybe me withdraw. So our waakye is ready and I'm serving you. So I'm asking you this question, that do you also face that problem? Do you have that body pains? Okay, you have neck pains after eating beans. And I know offer what they won't study Sanya. When you answer when you be at tomorrow, please I beg you, start doing that. Okay, when you eat something and you are not feeling well after eating it, just try that food again and see if that is where the problem is coming from. Okay, then you stop eating it. But if it's nice food, don't stop. Don't mind me. But watching the bio, I can't stop eating the waakye. The way someone is here saying he won't eat waakye, me, I go eat some. Me see me we me drula. And I like my waakye with a lot of salad. Okay, Papa, what do you can Anna? Okay, o de ma mefa stew kakaka o je shiwe no. Ye na kondo. So biaso. Hey, the thing was nice. Oh, I can't stop eating waakye because of this wahala thing. When the yoke na jiwe, we so wompe. And the mami di madi, we learn them those eggs in America. So what I do is I add a lot of vegetables. The salad so that I won't get a lot of gas. Okay, so I poured all the waakye down and I'm going to enjoy that small waakye with those plenty salad. Yeah, I couldn't finish it though. Yes. So thank you for watching. And let me see it in the comment section if you also face those problems. Okay. Yes. I think the eggs too is also bad. Thank you for watching.